TV Bounce, ang sayaw ni L.A. Tenorio at Chris Bacana.
Tenorio, perfect bounce pass for Bacana.
And he made that look so easy. That's not a very easy pass to make.
Son number 7, hometown hero Big Game James with his big-time move.
Ng Norte.
Wow!
Ayun din ang ginagawa ni James Yap.
Yun ang nakaw.
Sa man-to-man defense ang ginawa doon kay James.
Son number 6, tinikling ng Blitz Game MVP. Di masundan ng mga sophomores.
Buenafe, starter step all the way for 2. Did you see him do the cha-cha?
Well, somehow Chris Bacana got lost there.
Son number 5, si Sanitos, ang big boss sa Bacolod dito sa kanyang slam with authority.
Ito ngayon.
Ganun pala ha. Sabi ko, Sanitos, ako lang pala ha.
That was an emphatic slam dunk.
Son number 4, Bacolod fans marveled at Marvin Cruz's incredible spin to the basket.
Oh, Marvin Cruz.
Take that.
Tip for tap. In a battle between speed and skill.
Son number 3, bumaliktad ang mundo dito sa no-look pass ni Sanitos kay Peter June Simon.
Parang sumusona dito.
O yan o, ayun.
Yes.
Yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na hindi nyo makikita in a regular PBA game. Pero ang sarap panoorin eh. Sa number 2, hail the king of slams sa Bacolod, Kelly Williams.
Is to score points inside the painted area.
Whoa! Ayan ang naman,
Inside
Kelly
the
Williams. At sa ating number 1, Bagyong Cyrus, tumama sa Bacolod. Simon inside, hand off. Cyrus Bagyo, first layup, upo pa sa ere. Cyrus Bagyo. See you next week para sa mas kapanapanabik na stargazing dito sa Astig Waves.